Hi, Nick from LRM Products. We're the manufacturers of the VersEseal range of waterproofing products. I want to spend a minute today and talk you through our 3 different box gutter kits that we've just launched. This kit is our smallest kit. It comes with 4 kilos of the VersEseal Rapid Build membrane, which is suitable for about 4 square metres of coating. We've got a 300ml tube of our new VersEseal Rubber Caulk in there, and it comes with a brush and 10 metres of Geofabric in there to help you do any joins, penetrations, holes, and anything you need to repair. So the second kit is our medium-sized kit. This is designed for about 8 square metres of coating. It comes with 8 kilos of the VersEseal Rapid Build membrane and 2 of our rubber caulk tubes. It comes with 20 linear metres of the Geofabric. All of our box gutter kits only have the functional black products in there, which is normally ideal for the internals of a box gutter. But if you need to dress that up in some way, we have the top coats that are available in all the Colorbond colours. So our third kit is our large kit. It comes with 15 kilos of the VersEseal Rapid Build membrane, 4 of our rubber caulks, a brush and 100 linear metres of our Geofabric. This kit's good for about 15 square metres. Obviously if you're doing a gutter and you're only going narrow, that's going to go a lot further than that. Hopefully you've had a chance to look at our application videos for roof and for box gutter. If not, have a look at those. And if you have any questions about the products or the process, please give us a call.